Hello, Andrew with Misku Contractors. So this is the fence and the deck. So the side railings over here. Now I did this a few days ago, so there were some issues because over the 3 or 4 days a lot of this stuff came in, because as you could see there are so many trees and vegetation back here. So unfortunately you cannot really see the true results of the work that I did, but I will be sure to include it. But this side I did today. I put some polyurethane in it, so perhaps you could see better the stain and the finish of the wood, what it looked like. So I don't know how good it looks on video, but unfortunately this green stuff it's everywhere, so it doesn't look the best. But you know, we did a pretty big job. We sanded down everything so everything is nice and smooth. This stuff was coming all apart, as you could see the shine. We actually used the satin rather than a semi-gloss, but you could still see plenty of reflection on this. It's plenty of protection, and it does require some upkeep, but as long as she upkeeps it, this deck should look wonderful. And I also did the outsides for her, which I didn't really charge her for. When I quoted her just for the bottom deck and the inside. But I figured, you know, might as well do everything for her, make her happy. And she tells me she's happy, so this is the result.